Frankenstein C20 here today. So today, just a little short weekend update. Not much going on with the truck. Going to order a few things this week to get us down the track at No Name Nationals this year. So going to be ordering a few things, and I'll keep you posted on what we order and when we're expecting it. And this week I'm going to turn my attention to some routine maintenance on the vans. I've got an oil leak I need to tend to. Going to work with the brown van a little bit, get that going. So I've got to do a job Monday. I'm going to finish it up, and then I'm going to take the rest of the week, try and get a few things done around here, get the red van going, quit leaking oil. I'm thinking it's a valve cover issue somewhere, I think. So that's about it. So till next time, we'll see you. I'm going to go ahead and throw you some footage here of last week's car show right here in town, just a few blocks away. So stay tuned for that. It's right at the end of this video, and we will see you next time. So till then, have a safe weekend. It's great seeing you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, leave me a comment, and we'll see you later.